Glasgow Botanical Garden.
He killed his brother out of jealousy. Like in cold blood. But I always liked their names though.
I was like, I don't want to work in insects and
Oh yeah, local accident.
botanic process. Like you mean like yeah. They only in logging house. They basically like the insects when they go and they close the lid and the stomach acid there.
Ayan, hindi, yun din.
Napanood ko siya nung ginawa ng Blue Rep. Yung student pa.
Kaya Tudoro sa akin. Nakita kami ni, ni Krina.
Oh, kumusta siya?
Okay naman. May GC daw